Understanding your GPA, a key to academic success. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a very important topic that affects many students around the world. Grade point average, or GPA for short. Understanding your GPA is crucial for your academic journey, whether you're applying to college, seeking scholarships, or aiming for honors. Let's break it down together, so you can master this concept and use it to your advantage. GPA stands for Grade Point Average. It's a standard way schools measure a student's academic achievement. Essentially, it's a number that represents the average value of the accumulated final grades you've earned in your courses. The scale typically ranges from 0 to 4.0 or 5.0, depending on the educational institution, with higher numbers indicating better performance. Calculating your GPA involves a few steps. 1. First, each grade you receive in a course is assigned a numerical value. For instance, an A might be equivalent to 4.0, A, B to 3.0, and so on. 2. Next, if your school considers the difficulty of your courses, like in the case of AP or honors classes, these numbers might be adjusted higher. 3. Then, these values are multiplied by the number of credits or units each course is worth. 4. Finally, all these numbers are added together and divided by the total number of credits or units you've taken, resulting in your GPA. Your GPA is a key indicator of your academic performance and is often used by colleges, universities, and employers to make decisions. Colleges and universities use GPA for admissions, placement in programs, and eligibility for scholarships. Employers may look at GPA when considering candidates for internships or jobs, especially for positions that require a certain level of academic achievement. Scholarships often have a minimum GPA requirement, making it essential for financial aid. Improving your GPA is a process, but here are a few tips to help you on your journey. Focus on time management. Organize your schedule to prioritize studying and assignments. Seek help when needed. Don't hesitate to ask for help from teachers, tutors, or study groups. Set realistic goals. Aim for achievable improvements and celebrate small victories. Stay motivated. Keep your long-term goals in mind and remind yourself why you're working hard. We hope this video has shed some light on what a grade point average is, how it's calculated, and why it's so important. Remember, understanding your GPA is just the beginning. With dedication, hard work, and the right strategies, you can improve it and open doors to new opportunities. Thanks for watching, and we wish you all the best in your academic endeavors.